Would you like to make money on YouTube like this and this and this? Well, stick around. This video is for you because I'm going to share with you 10 profitable YouTube channel ideas where you can make up to $5,000 per month without ever showing your face. Yes, this will take work, determination, and persistence, but it's absolutely possible. Once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google Adsense program, and that's where advertisers pay Google to place ads on your videos, and then you get paid. I get paid every single day from Google Adsense. You don't need any prior experience, and all of this can be learned. And the content you use on your YouTube channel can be free, and you don't have to recruit anyone or sell anything. So if you're someone who wants to finally have financial freedom and be able to supplement or replace your income, this video is for you. But make sure you stick around until the end because I want to share with you some niches that you should absolutely avoid in order to build that long-term sustainable business. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Science. This is a really interesting niche to get into. An example of a profitable channel in this niche is What If. And you can see their videos, they're talking about what if topics about science, and the videos again have a script, voiceover, and stock video footage. This channel gains around 130 subscribers a month and has over 573 million views on the channel since it was created in 2018. And you can see from their Social Blade stats, they earn up to $77,000 a month from ad revenue alone. And in case you're not familiar with this, when you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google Adsense program. And that's where advertisers pay to place ads on your videos, and then Google pays you. So you can see this ad revenue can definitely add up, especially when you have videos with a lot of views. Like if we search by most popular, you can see their most viewed video has over 15 million views. Next profitable niche is health, and this of course will always be something people are interested in improving. I've been in the healthcare field for 30 years, so this would actually be a good niche for me to get into. But an example of a profitable channel in this niche is called Natural Ways. And on this channel, again, they never show their face, and they use a script, voiceover, and video stock footage. They gain 10,000 subscribers a month and have over 1.7 million views a month. And you can see their most popular video has 18 million views, 6 things you should never do after eating. And that's only a 3-minute video. I do want to say from the beginning, you should have videos at least 8 minutes long because then ads can be placed in the middle of your videos and not just at the beginning and end. And that way you can earn a lot more money with Google AdSense. And if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, you can see they make up to $6,000 per month or more. Oh, and by the way, if you're really serious about crushing it with a faceless YouTube channel or with an existing channel, I do have a free masterclass. That'll be the first link in the description below the video. Definitely check that out. Book reviews. These are 2 examples of channels of book reviews. You can see the first one, Productivity Game, has over 400,000 subscribers and gains around 7,000 subscribers a month. They're doing book reviews on popular books about productivity and entrepreneurship and using a software like Doodly where they do whiteboard videos. This type of software is drag and drop, so it doesn't require a lot of technical skills, but these type of videos keep people's attention, which is one of the most important metrics on whether a video does well or not, the average view duration. So how much does this channel make on ad revenue? We'll get to that in just a minute, but just in case you don't know, after you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google AdSense program, and advertisers pay to place ads on your videos, and you earn 50% of that ad revenue. And CPM, or cost per 1,000 views, determines how much money you make. So if a channel has a CPM of only $3 and a video gets 100,000 views, that video would make the creator $300. But for example, if a channel makes $10 CPM, then they would make $1,000 from a video with 100,000 views. And my channel average is around $38. So a video on my channel with 100,000 views would pay me around $3,800. But even within a channel, there's certain videos that will pay more CPM. For example, this is a product review video that I did, and you can see that the CPM is $218, and I get paid $136 per 1,000 views. The Social Blade stats for this channel, Productivity Game, are around $2,000 a month, but in my experience, this is a very low estimate. Also, besides ad revenue, they're making money with the Amazon affiliate program by having links to Audible and the book they are reviewing in the description of their videos. And you can see their top video has gotten over 1 million views. And if we take this keyword, never split the difference, and look on vidIQ, you can see there's over 24,000 searches a month. It has low competition and a really great overall score. And if you look up all of these keywords, you can see that they are really great keywords with a lot of searches and very low competition. Another example of a channel in the book niche review is Fight Mediocrity. And they have similar videos on book reviews, and they do whiteboard software as well. If we take a look at their top video, it has over 8 million views. And that keyword has a search volume of over 22,000 and has good competition as well. If we take a look at their Social Blade stats, you can see they earn over $6,000 a month. And again, I'm sure it's more depending on what their CPM is. So if you enjoy reading books on a certain topic and you've done your research, this would be a great niche to get into. The next profitable niche is travel, and an example channel is The World According to Briggs. And on this channel, he talks about facts about different places, mainly in the United States, like top 10 most hated states in the US, top 10 cheapest states for renters. And you can see this channel has over 500,000 subscribers, and their most popular video has over 4 million views. 10 most secluded towns in the United States. Their Social Blade stats show they make over $22,000 a month. So if you like travel, you should think about starting this type of channel. It's investing. And here's an example of a channel where they talk about different aspects of investing. And you can see their most popular video has gotten over 1.3 million views just 7 months ago. So the CPM for the investing niche is around $25 to $30 per 1,000 views. So if we take the low side of that and divide 1.3 million by 1,000 views and multiply it by $25, you can assume this video has made them around $32,000. And if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, it shows they make around $3,000 a month. But again, since the CPM for this niche is $25 to $30, we can multiply that times 4. And so we can assume they're making around $12,000 a month. So you can see why investing is a great niche to get into. The fourth high CPM niche is personal finance. And here's an example of a channel. And we can see they talk about all aspects of managing your personal finances. And this niche pays anywhere from $35 to $45 per 1,000 views. Like you can imagine, the topic of their most recent video, how to pay off debt, would be a highly searched topic. And if we look at vidIQ, we can see that keyword gets searched over 2,900 times a month and has low competition and a great overall score of 53. Their most popular video has 9.8 million views. And if we take a CPM of $35, we can imagine that video alone has earned them $343,000. And if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, we can see it is estimated that they make anywhere from $631 to $10,000 a month based on 50 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. If you look at this little question mark right here, that's what it says. But since this CPM makes $35 to $45 per 1,000 views, you can multiply that times 4. So they could be making anywhere from $35,000 to $40,000 a month. The fifth high CPM niche is technology. And here is an example of a channel. And you can see they review technology, which would be something you could easily outsource by having someone write the script, someone do the voiceover, and then have a video editor put it all together, which it looks like they do on this channel. And then again, they never do show their face. And you can see for their most popular videos, they have used keywords that have good search volume and low competition. Like best Bluetooth speaker 2021 gets over 94,000 searches and has low competition. And considering these videos have millions of views and the CPM for this niche is around $16 to $20, we can assume these top videos have made them $25,000 to $30,000. And if we look at their Social Blade stats, we can see the estimated monthly earnings based on their views on the channel is anywhere from $269 to $4,300, which is pretty accurate, but I would multiply that at least by 2. So I would say they would make around $8,000 a month. What you need to understand too is that YouTube pays you half of what they get paid by advertisers. So if advertisers pay a CPM of $16 for 1,000 views, the YouTube owner will get paid $8 per 1,000 views. So that's why I say multiply this estimated earnings by 2, and that would be what I would consider this channel would make every month. And just to give you some inspiration for a faceless YouTube channel, like we're talking about here, this is someone in our Facebook group, and they just hit over $10,000 in a month with Google AdSense ad revenue. So it is absolutely possible. You just have to stick with it, and over time, you definitely can achieve a goal like this. The next profitable niche is one of my favorites, the animal niche. And an example of a channel in this niche is Smart Dog Lover. And I did want to mention, besides making money with Google AdSense, they are most likely making affiliate commissions with the ClickBank product and Amazon products in the description of their videos. Because if we take a look at this video, you can see in the description, if you click right here, it takes you to a ClickBank product about how to train your dog. And if we scroll down further, you can see all of these are Amazon affiliate links. So if people purchase this product, they earn a commission. They gain 2,400 subscribers a month, and their most popular video has 767,000 views, and they get over 2 million views a month. And their Social Blade stats show they make around $2,000 or more a month. And as you can see, their videos are all about interesting information about dogs that people are already searching for. And they have a script, a voiceover, and video stock footage to make money online. And with the pandemic, there's more people than ever searching for ways to make money online and from home. My channel average this year so far is $62 per 1,000 views. And the highest CPM that I have on any video is $242. And you can see that review videos can make a lot of money. Now on this particular video, I have around 2,900 views. So if we take 2,900 and we divide it by 1,000, we get 2.9, and then we multiply that times $153, which is how much I get paid. We get actually paid half of what Google gets paid. Then you'll see that that is around the amount of money that I got paid on that one video. So you can imagine if I had 100,000 views on that video, how much I would get paid. Let me share with you another great example of why this is a high-paying CPM niche. My friend here has a channel also in the Make Money Online niche, specifically YouTube and how to grow your brand on your channel. But look at her CPM for this video alone and the amount of revenue. So she had $67 CPM, and because of the number of views she's gotten, has over $11,000 on just this one video. Here's an example channel in the Make Money Online niche called Finance Girl, and they never show their face on this channel. And you can see they only started in February of this year. And you can see their most popular videos have gotten hundreds of thousands of views. And these top videos do have keywords that they're using that have low competition and good search volume, like this one here, Earn Money Typing Names, which is their top video right here. And you can see by their Social Blade stats, their estimated earnings every month are anywhere from $359 to $5,700. But this is based on a CPM of 25 cents to $4. So with their CPM being anywhere from $30 to $60, we can consider that we can multiply this by at least 4 times this amount. So they can be making as much as $20,000 a month. The next profitable niche is the Carnage, and an example channel is Modern Muscle. So if we take a look at this channel, we can see they get 3,000 subscribers a month, and their most popular video has over 8 million views. Their videos are interesting facts about cars with, again, a script, video, stock footage, and a voiceover. And according to their Social Blade stats, they make up to $11,000 a month. And I did want to mention that you can make money long before you get monetized, which again is when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can apply for the Google AdSense program, and advertisers pay Google to place ads on your videos, and then Google pays you. How you can do this is place links in the description of your videos to affiliate products, and then a certain percentage of people will check out the description and buy the product. And these are some examples of affiliate networks that you can get products from: ClickBank, Amazon, and Digistore24. But I have been very successful with this method, and I've made many autopilot sales this way on my channel. Okay, so these are niches to avoid because you're not going to get monetized, you're not going to make that much money. Meditation channel without a voiceover, it's very difficult to get monetized with just music. And so I would definitely avoid the meditation niche without doing a voiceover. And you may just want to pick another niche in general because it is very competitive. Also, don't use robot generated voiceovers. And another niche to avoid is compilations. So you see channels out there that are taking compilations of maybe TikTok videos, but that's something that you can get copyright strikes. And also, just because you see ads playing at the beginning of their videos doesn't mean that they're monetized. They might have gotten demonetized. And now YouTube can place ads on your videos even if you're not monetized. And another niche to stay away from is kids, because it's just not worth it and you can get demonetized or your channel shut down. Just stay away from making videos for children. You want your videos to be for teenagers or adults. Congratulations if you made it this far into the video. I can tell you're someone who really wants to change your life. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 10 more profitable YouTube channel ideas without ever showing your face. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.